Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I have two packages from AppMax. One is the T-Rex coin and the other one should be another coin for a collection I'm working on right now, plus some gold. So I'm just gonna cut this package off camera real fast, then we'll have a look at the coins. So just bear with me. By the way, today's silver is close to $21, if you can believe that. It's I don't know what's going on, but it seems like everything is up. Precious metals are up, the stock market is up. We'll see what happens. So okay, so this is it. Here's the T-Rex coin. I know Spag put some videos out there that his coins were not in the best condition. This doesn't look too bad. Not sure if I should cut it out, because I'm gonna try to sell one of them. I got two of them here. I didn't get too many. I thought that I might keep one for myself, for my personal collection. I'm looking at this. Oh yeah, this one has a milk spot right above the T-Rex head, right there. So, oh, and multiple ones. Yep. You can see the edge here has some milk spots. So this one is not in good condition. Yeah, this one is not in good condition. This one seems in a little bit better, but as the quality is not that good on these coins. They looked way better in the picture from AppMax, but oh well, we'll see what happens. Also, with this package, I bought the Saint Michael coin. I wanted this for a while now. My son middle name is Michael, and I actually got this for him when he's gonna get older. Hopefully I can get him into coins, and this is gonna be a present for him down the road. But beautiful coin. It's just beautiful coin. Okay, let's see what else I got here. I bought I'm collecting the Giants of the Ice Age, and this is the third release in the series, and is the Saber. I think that's how it's called. I don't know what to think about this coin. I really don't know. I kind of think they messed up with like the fur on this pad, but maybe I'm wrong. That it's pretty good condition. It doesn't look that bad. I have the first two from the series. I only bought one. I just want to fill the series on this, but it is pretty good, so I like it. And with that coin, I bought another small piece of gold. This is just 1 gram. Secondary market. This is what I got. It's probably from a sheet. I'm happy to add a little bit of gold. I still have a few 10 ounce 1/10,000 gold pieces, so it's been nice to add this as well, especially now that gold is getting up there. So but yeah, this is my latest purchases. I also placed an order with Bolt to get some of the new releases from Pertmint on the Zeus coin, which I think they'll do good. So I'm excited about those, but I think those are not shipping until August, so still a bit to wait on that one. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a new video soon. Thank you.